There we go. Ouch! I'm gonna do that at least once a day when we're doing stuff. Like I always say, I don't know about always say, but like I say from time to time, unless there's blood, you ain't working hard enough. We're gonna keep plugging away here at Project Zippy. Get some more stuff tore down on her. It's amazing that she looks so naked right now, but yet there's still a whole lot that we have left to do here. We still gotta take a bunch of the components off the front here. And the whole rear suspension. Everything needs to come out, get the airbox out, the wiring, yada yada yada. So, I better get cracking here. I'm gonna go ahead and take off. Probably, I don't know if that's a 10 or 12. The brake line splitter here. Get that out of the way. Wow, look at that. That was nice. That for the brakes. If that's in good shape, we will reuse that. Wow, that's especially nice. Now, let's see here. I'm gonna take this stem clear off. I just wanna, it's gonna have to be cleaned up. That's just a big, there. And that should just pop off by getting a screwdriver. Fixer-upper. You can stare at the back of my head. Oh, come on. Ooh, don't break my screwdriver. Should just pop off of there. Of course, it's plastered on with years of mud. And I don't know, guys. Working on it, thinking about it. How about that? Probably get those guys off, which involves getting them pins out. Where did my ice creams go? Wow. I still have yet to get PV Blast. I'm going to be sorry when it runs out. Helps if you actually hit what you're aiming for. I wish I could see. Maybe I'll should go ahead and move to the back. I feel like you know. What? Where to go? Where to go? Maybe I'll work on getting this wiring harness and stuff out. Let's see what we got here. Gotta love the brushless impact. And all these wires, that's a greasy mess. Let's unplug this, unplug that. And let's see what else do we got here. Let's get this out from there. This should be free once we figure out where wires are going where. I got my phone on standby so I can document my wiring and where it goes. Can you guys even see me? Let's try to keep getting everything so dirty. Well, everything, I'm pretty much talking about my cameras. I don't care if I get dirty. Can't get the Honda any more dirty than what it already is. that air box out of there. Oh, don't want to lose my gasket. It looks to be in pretty good shape yet. Yeah, it's still in dandy shape. This critter's in that at one point. It was like dog or cat food. How in order are you supposed to get that off of there? Pardon. Oop, there it is. See it? It turned in the absolute worst possible way to get at it. And that being, there is absolutely no way to get at it. Well, crap. Let's see here. Just around the room. Oh, I got Disney songs running through my head, guys. I'm sure if you have young kids at home, you can relate. Come on. Cooperate with me a little bit here now. There, thank you. It's so glued on there. Oh man, that's it. Sleeves are rolling up now. Time to get serious. Oh come on, who am I kidding? I'm never serious. I look once more just around the river bend. Now you best come out of here, Sonny. Alright, plan B. Let's get some more crap out of the way first. Choke cable here out of the way. Choke cable! There's our throttle cable. It wraps its way around. Do it this way then. A couple pieces. That it just comes right off. Or not. Wow. Okay, there it is. Okay. Now we're making some leeway here. Let's see if we can get the rest of this wiring off here. What's this guy go to? I think this is my brake light. Or what used to run to the brake light. Missing the brake light assembly, so I will have to get a new one. But I might regret doing that, but I'm going to cut that out of there. Before I unhook anything, I want to take pictures of it. My reference, hooking stuff back up. That's the easiest way. This guy here already came unplugged. Oh my. I'm going to end up having to get probably a wiring diagram for this guy, so I know what goes what anyway. This was a homemade starter button here. Apparently the solenoid's bad. Somebody rigged that up to jump it. I'd like to actually bypass that and have it go back to where it'll work with the actual button. Oh, we're getting the wiring harness out of here, little by little. And like before, I've been cleaning these wires off and getting pictures as I go on my phone for my reference and wiring back up. But all we have left is the cable to the starter. Oh boy, come on. Come on! There we go. Ouch! I'm gonna do that at least once a day when we're doing stuff. Like I always say, I don't know about always say, but like I say from time to time, unless there's blood, you ain't working hard enough. I guess cut most of the wiring off. Gotta get screwed past all them layers of gunk on the end of the bolt threads. Then she'll come pretty easy. Don't drop it, don't drop it. Carburetor. Oh, we're getting there. Trick's gonna be if I remember how to put all this stuff back together. One of the benefits of filming everything is you got a guide to look at. Whew, get sleepy, guys. Appalachian Mountain Riders is brought to you in part by the following. The Honda Side-by-Side Club. If you own a Honda Side-by-Side or are thinking about buying one, then you need to check out HondaSideBySide.com, because who knows the machines better than the owners that use them every day. Head on over to HondaSXS.com and sign up today. Walker Evans Racing, providing high-quality shocks and rims for a variety of UTVs. When the path requires more than just ordinary, head on over to WalkerEvansRacing.com. And by my gracious supporters on Patreon.